I mass messaged 4 AIs at the same time, and none of them could make a toast notification work. Let me explain. I was building a PC builder, the kind that actually checks compatibility, sockets, wattage, budget. No ChatGPT hallucinating a GPU that doesn't exist and calling it fire. Real logic, real parts. Clean, simple. Then I opened make.com, and that's where this video really starts. Make.com Visual and Automation. We hooked up Hugging Face for AI, Airtable for the part pieces. At first, clean and beautiful. Then edge cases happened. GPU too expensive, fall back. AI times
Budget
out,
is
router.
zero,
Budget
GPU
is
too
zero,
expensive,
times
brand.
fall back.
Budget
GPU
is
too
zero,
expensive,
brand.
Someone
Fall back.
types in Klingon. This went on for 2 weeks. 500 components. I had to screenshot this in 10 pieces just to see it. This looked like a spider on energy drinks built a web on a whiteboard. It got so bad, I pulled out a physical notebook, pen and paper. In 2026, the bugs were constant. GPU surge, turning CPUs, fix one path, there breaks. Fix those, the first one breaks again. Every single time. Then make.com itself starts crashing. Not my automation, the editor. It couldn't hand its own creation. So I throw it all away, everything, rewrote it in actual code. But here's the problem with that decision. I barely knew JavaScript. So I made a ChatGPT on the left, docs on the right, VS Code in the middle, 500 modules translated line by line. But something clicked. When I saw the code version, I realized the entire budget system was broken. Person slit sounds smart until someone has typed $400 and the system tried to buy a GPU that doesn't exist at that price. So I built something better. The Waterfall system. GPU eats first, most important part, then CPU, whatever's left waterfall down. PCU matches the GPU's actual wattage, motherboard matches the socket, RAM and storage slit the scraps. Budget too tight, system actually drops a tier and retries. Still too tight, drops again. And if nothing fits, this is the part that I'm proud of. The recommendation engine calculates the cheapest possible build and tell you, you wanted a $300, you need $487. No dead end, a target. Okay, that was the smart part. Now it gets stupid. The AI Quen or Hugging Face have 3 personalities in one model. Personality 1, perfect JSON, clean, correct, no notes. Personality 2, full YouTuber mode. You ask for 3 numbers and it writes an essay about how incredible this build will be. I asked for JSON, not a TED talk. And the personality 3, dead inside, like it opened a spreadsheet and quit. But the thing that actually broke me, the conversation loop. Update the budget to $800. Would you like to update? Confirm. Yes. Is that correct? Yes. Should I proceed? Oh. And Hugging Face can just time out. Loading, gone. Build a regex fallback. If the AI ghosts us, pattern matching grabs the budget from raw text. Not elegant, but the system never crashes on the user. Front end, and honestly this section has the most pain per minute. Framer, beautiful for design, but custom logic? It wants you to make a pretty page and shut up. The result page needed widest part pop-up. I spent more time on that pop-up than the entire budget engine. Moving gradient, beautiful. 4 FPS, dead. Live budget slider, the dream. Catastrophic failure, grave. Toast notification, built mine, broke. Gemini's broke, Clouds broke, 3 AI, 0 toaster. And this video is sponsored by, no, nobody sponsored this. Moving on. And grabbed a working toaster of the internet, forced it in. We'll never touch it again. But the cheat code in a 48-page prompt, found it online by the Framer University, fed it to Gemini, and Gemini became a machine. Copy buttons, share buttons, feedback buttons, creating, fixing, iterating, like finding a Game Shark tape under the desk. Oh, and the notification plays a Minecraft sound. Stays forever. Quick detour. The 44 page. Nobody will see it. It's my favorite thing I made. It started here. Thumbnail. Generic. Ended here. The 0 is rotating 3D ASCII TV. The 4 glitches. There are 4 routers on the entire site. Nobody will find this page, and it's got the hardest of anything I built. And I wanted to find the 44th page and screenshot it and send it to my email. I need a proof that one human being solved the spinning TV. 160 hours, 500 make.com nodes, a JavaScript migration I had no business attempting, an AI with 3 personalities, a website builder that hate codes, and 3 AI that couldn't make a toaster. It works. Every part, compatible, balanced, budget aware, bottleneck detect, upgrade fast, and if you can't afford it, it tells you what you actually need. Is it perfect? No. Beta is small database, stuff to fix, but it's real and it works. And I built it while mass messaging for AIs and drawing flowchart in a notebook like unhinged person. Link in the description. Free, no sign up. And don't forget to check the 44 page. See you in the next one.